Welcome to AI Toolbox. Today we're going to use Kaiber AI to transform an image into a video. So Kaiber AI allows you to literally do anything that your imagination can come up with. You can create AI images from text. You can create videos from text. You can transform existing images into totally new videos. Before we get started, you will need to have a Kaiber account. You can create a free account and you get 200 free credits per month. Just check the video description. I'll have a link and let's jump into it. So when you first log into your Kaiber account, you will end up on a screen like this. And this is the Super Studio. So this is just like an intro screen that shows you different examples of what you can create. The way this screen works is, here's a pro tip. This little box down here on the lower right, this is how you navigate around the screen. You just move your mouse and it will take you to all these different parts of the screen. If you want to zoom in, just use your mouse to pinch and zoom. What Kaiber's doing here is giving you examples of all these different cool things that you can create. This is just a starting point where you can get some inspiration. But we're going to start from scratch on our video. Create a new canvas. Go to the top of the screen and hover over this plus button and you'll see a flow menu. Just click that button, and this allows you to select from different AI models that Kaiber has built into their system. There's a ton, and they're constantly adding new models, but we're going to start with Flux Image. So you just click that, close this box, and this is a dialog box that you're going to use to create your image, and you use text to start. We're going to create two images. The first image is going to be our starting frame of the animation, and the second image is going to be the ending frame. Enter a prompt into this subject box. My starting frame is going to be a serene landscape on Neptune with vibrant colors. These image details, you can leave them the same. Next, once your prompt is complete, just click this little smiley face. The number next to it is the amount of credits that it will cost to generate this image. So just click start. It'll take a couple seconds for your image to complete. Once it's complete, it'll appear here on the canvas. This is my first starting image. Next, we're going to go back over to that Flux box. Change your prompt to what you want the ending animation to. My ending animation is going to be a futuristic city on Neptune with glowing domes, floating vehicles, and colorful alien plants. The more detail you include in your prompts, adjectives, verbs, and painting a picture for Kaiber, the better the results will be. Click the smiley face button to generate your image. So now we have both images complete. So this is my second image. This is going to be the ending frame of the video. Next, go to the first image, hover above it, and click the Use and Flow button at the top. And let's select Luna Video. You just move this box over to the side so it's not on top of the images. Our image has been added to the Start keyframe. Let's put our second image in the End keyframe. As you're making your images and your videos, they will be organized here automatically in this material sidebar. So our second image is right here. We can just drag and drop it to the end keyframe. Now we have both keyframes for our video. We just need to give Kaiber a prompt and explain how we want it to animate the video. The prompt is start with a peaceful Neptune landscape with vibrant colors, slowly reveal a glowing aura and distant lights, transition to a futuristic city with glowing domes, flowing vehicles, and colorful plants swaying. End with the city alive under the shimmering aura. What's important here is you want to tell it how to start the video, and then you want to tell it how to end the video. You have some other options here. You won't be able to change these video details because when you use a start and end keyframe, you can't change the aspect ratio, and you cannot loop the video. So now we're ready to go. And once again, just click the happy face. This is going to cost 40 credits to create. Once your video is complete, just zoom in on the canvas. And here's our video. So pretty cool considering that we started with two static images and Kaiber was able to fill in the gaps and create an entire little sequence. This is the start of something that you could create a much more elaborate, longer video, especially if you divided things up into storyboards and scenes and you create an entire story. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back soon with more tutorials. Remember to check the video description link for a link to Kaiber.